case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The 1916 case of Anderson v. Carnegie Steel Company examined the intersection of personal workers' rights and state statutes and their orchestrated influence on the common law. As the case unfolded before the Supreme Court of Pennsylvania, it reshaped the understanding of statutory remedies for workplace injuries through the controversial Workmen's Compensation Act of 1915. The dispute originated when William Anderson, an employee who underwent severe harm while working for Carnegie Steel Company, filed a lawsuit against his employers. The steel giant argued that the Workmen's Compensation Act of 1915 encompassed Anderson's case, offering him an exclusive remedy and thereby prohibiting him from seeking additional damages. This act led the lower court to pronounce a judgment in favor of the steel company. Undeterred, Anderson contested this decision, setting in motion an appeal that targeted the constitutionality of specific sections of the 1915 Act under both state and federal law. His contention was that the challenged sections violated his right to property and due process. The court, however, dismissed his doubts. In a majority opinion, the court declared that the common law was subject to revisions through statutes, and the 1915 Act was no exception, applicable only to future cases and not encroaching on existing property rights. Anderson's constitutional claims were thereby met with defeat on all fronts, leaving the court to uphold the lower court's decision. The Workmen's Compensation Act of 1915 was deemed constitutional, implying its absolute applicability to Anderson's case. Thus, the case served as a landmark verdict, recognizing the power of state laws in influencing workers' compensation while respecting the boundaries of personal rights and due process.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class